Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio and selecting Content, then open the video you want to change. Once done, click Subtitles and find the auto-generated language track. It's usually labeled with Automatic. Make sure your video's language is correct, because YouTube uses that for auto captions. Now click the three-dot menu or the auto track itself to reveal edit options. This is where you begin correcting text and timing, so proceed to the editor to take control of the subtitles. In the editor, you'll see the auto-generated text aligned to timestamps. Correct misspellings, punctuation, and speaker names as you go. Make sure to adjust timing, short and long captions, and split sentences for readability. Use keyboard shortcuts to speed the work. You can also paste a clean transcript to replace the auto text, then click Auto Sync to retime captions to the audio. While editing, preview playback to confirm lines appear at the right moment, because synchronization is as important as correct wording. After you finish edits, save and publish the corrected subtitle track so viewers see improved captions. Decide if you'll keep the original automatic track disabled. For backup, download the SRT or transcript file, or upload that file to other platforms. If viewers still can't see captions, check that the video language matches the captions, confirm viewer CC settings, and reprocess captions if needed. A quick troubleshooting tip: re-uploading a clean transcript and using auto-sync often fixes persistent timing or display issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.